Hello Steinberg community, hello all the Nuendo 15 users around the world. My name is Paweł Uszyński, I'm the owner of Warsaw-based Folia Sound Studio, and me and my sound team, we are welcoming you today as people behind the Crone Nuendo 15 audio post demo that you're gonna find as an additional download for your Nuendo 15. As we recently upgraded this demo together with Steinberg team, today I would like to take your minute and show you a bit of what we have prepared for you, why is it there, and what you can do with it. And the first and very obvious reason why we created this demo for you was to show you the new features that are there in Nuendo 15, and I'm gonna talk about them in detail just in a minute. The second reason was aimed at those of you who have not used Nuendo before, to show you that it's a complete, fully pro and actually unique, one-of-a-kind audio post-production platform that is not afraid of any competition and can easily win over any competition. The third thing is to show you almost 7 minutes of a beautiful, mesmerizing The Crone picture by Catherine Kasima Kanda that we sound designed and mixed here in Folia Sound Studio, just to keep you inspired, just to show you some sound design of ours so that you can retweak it your way, so that you can check it out on your listening system, whether it's 5.1 surround or stereo. You can redo the sound design, you can redo the mixing, and simply have a nice playful session in your Nuendo. So let's go. And I'd like to start with presenting you the logic and the structure behind the Crone in Nuendo 15. So let's take a look at our timeline again. You're gonna see that we have a group folder track. Yes, this is a new thing in Nuendo 15. Folders are right now also groups. So we created dialogue subgroups. Here are some ADRs, some dialogues from set. Here are special dialogue elements, also some breaths recorded during an ADR session. They all go to this LRC group, and this group has got some reverb sense, as you can see, and it all goes to this dialogue group, which goes straight to our 5.1 bus. And what's really cool in Nuendo, not only in version 15, is first that routing in Nuendo 15 is very comprehensible. It's the easiest routing possible, actually, to take you there in any structure, in any desired logic and template you would like to create. The second thing is that the plugins that come bundled with Nuendo 15, the onboard tools, are surround tools, not only in version 15, but also in any other version, which actually allowed us to create this demo for you using exclusively what's there on board Nuendo 15. Then you're gonna see Foley group with some panning, for example, and some also reverb sense automated and divided into footsteps, hands, ups and down, props, and movement, properly as Foleys are organized in any of our projects. Then you're going to have an atmospheres group that also is gathered as a folder here, and you're going to have 3 subgroups here. Front atmospheres that are upmixed to 5.1 using Animix Pro, mid that are sharing the signal between left and right front and left and right surround, and then you're gonna have rear surrounds that gonna distribute the signal only exclusively in the surround speakers. Then all this is gathered as the main folder group 5.1 atmospheres group. Same goes for music. You're gonna have various stems with some mainly volume automation, and all these stems are panned and upmixed using Animix Pro, and then they go into this music group, which goes to the main folder group track. Then, last but not least, you're going to have reverb sense with beautiful reverence, which has been there for quite some long time, a beautiful convolution reverb on board Nuendo. Then you're going to have something called Abyss, then a reverse reverb that's actually a stereo. We did it using Roomworks, and then we upmixed this with Animix Pro, then reverb called Canyon, and a reverb called Forest. Getting back to the top, you're gonna have a logged video track here and an analyzer track, also a new thing in Nuendo 15 with sound levels already measured, and you're gonna see integrated. Here it's minus 25.3, and actually when I'm mixing, I'm aiming between anything minus 20 to 23, minus 28, depending on the picture I'm working with. And this intro 7 minutes of the Crone seems moderately loud, and it's mixed like that. What's also really important is that you don't have to listen to the Crone in 5.1. There's already a stereo group for you created inside the project. So if you have stereo environment to listen to this demo, it's absolutely possible for you to enjoy it and retweak it your way. Another two great things to remember when tweaking the demo and getting familiar with Nuendo 15 is that it comes with two great bundled extensions, Era 2 extensions, Spectral Layers Go and Wavelab Go. I own Spectral Layers Pro, so maybe I'm not gonna launch it for you, but I actually included Wavelab Go on a couple of tracks so that you can get familiar with it too. Yeah, and if you didn't know, Wavelab is a powerful tool for wave editing, mastering, and more. It's there for you in its basic form in Nuendo 15. What we also did in this demo is that we used some of the new plugins on board Nuendo 15 with new modulators. Here you can see random modulator tweaking some of the formant of one of the tracks, and somewhere else on the Fairies Dialogue subgroup you're gonna see Ultra Shaper, a new powerful tool for sculpting the dynamics of dialogues, and not only that. And why is all that? As I said in the beginning, it's all to keep you inspired, to keep you going in your Nuendo 15 environment, to show you some of its new tools, new features, to also show to those of you who haven't used it yet how beautifully powerful Nuendo is, how simple it is at the same time, and how much of creative freedom you can get while using it with any media you can imagine, because we delivered a film project, a moving picture session, but you name your media. It's an audio play, audiobook, podcast, game audio project, music production project, music mixing, mastering, whatever media you do, sound-wise, Nuendo always takes you there. So now maybe let's retweak this and that in our The Crone and see what happens. And I'm gonna take those special dialogues here. First, I'm gonna play this scene to you as it is, and then we're gonna start retweaking things and seeing what can happen there. Yeah, our character is haunted by some voices. We don't know if it's in her head or is it objective reality. And I'm gonna solo these, and maybe what happens if I actually send more of this reverb, less of this reverb. And you know what? I would try to make these reversed voices a bit louder like this. And let's listen to this now. Yeah, it might be even more haunting. And for this, Fairies Reversed, I'm gonna take new pitch shifter again. Yeah, that's what I would do. Also, you know what? What happens if I quit completely this reverb and I decide to go fully for ping pong delay, but a bit better pronounced? Well, it became a bit less fairy tale and a bit more of some sort of a horror, I think. Let's see how it sits with music and all the rest. Yeah, so that's a beautiful, beautiful moment to tweak, that's for sure. Also, all the intro that you're gonna see here, all the first 2 minutes are pure creation with very little limits. You can do whatever you want. You can throw your own sounds. You can retweak reverbs. You can try to play with pitch shifter. I do it actually all the time since version 15. And so on, guys. Possibilities here in Nuendo 15 and in this project are endless. And guys, feel absolutely free to retweak it your way. It's there for you, and we as initial creators are more than happy to have passed that to you with this possibility that you can redo it your way. Maybe you're gonna discover something really new and cool for you in Nuendo. Maybe you're just gonna get familiar with some of its new features or generally with Nuendo platform. Maybe some new ideas are going to spark in your head, whether you're listening to it in surround or in stereo. Whatever you do, guys, just keep creative, keep grinding, keep using your Nuendo 15. Thank you, and hope to see you soon.